Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will be demonstrating how to enable instant payouts on Stripe without sounding like a copycat. Enabling instant payouts on Stripe can be done in a few simple steps. Firstly, open up any web browser and search for dashboard Stripe. Column in the search bar. Wait for the dashboard page to load up. On the top right corner of the page, select Settings. From this page, navigate to Business Settings and click on External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. You will be able to see the payout schedule where you can set the frequency of payout. However, it should be noted that instant payouts are not available to everyone. Your account must be at least 60 days old, and you need to have made a minimum of $5,000 worth of sale. Once these requirements are met, you will have access to instant payouts on Stripe. By enabling instant payouts, you will be able to receive payments as soon as a sale is made. You can activate instant payouts when it becomes available in your account.